Welcome to QDK World. A brother or sister is not just family. They are your first promise of loyalty.
Give the toy back, Daisy! It's not fair! You always take my things first!
I had it first! You're just a big baby. Go play with your blocks. Mom, Kyle wet his pants at school today! See? He's a big baby!
She told everyone. I trusted her. I told my sister not to tell. I was so ashamed, and I only told her. She promised me not to tell anyone. Why did she break it? Why did she tell Mom?
Daisy, Kyle, we need to talk. I heard some harsh words just now, and I saw some real pain. Kyle gave you a precious coin of secret. You were its keeper. That coin was meant for your shared Piggy Bank of Trust.
A piggy bank of trust? I broke it just now, didn't I?
When you shouted his secret, you didn't just spend the coin, you broke the bank. Do you understand what I'm trying to say, Daisy?
I didn't mean to hurt Kyle so deep.
The crack is the feeling Kyle has now. Trust is the hardest thing to glue back together.
I didn't mean that. Then how do I show him I love him?
I want to tell you that love is loyalty, Daisy. It means being his shield, not his sword. The consequence is not punishment. It is repair.
Okay, I'm going to find my shield now. I love my little brother! Kyle, I'm so sorry I broke our trust. No matter what, I promise I will always be your shield. I love you, my brother!
Our kids and families. The QDK talk is not just about discipline, it's about building moral character. Let us focus on our children's ethics for a better tomorrow.